Hello, it's me again, Adam. Remember me from the How to Measure video? Now, before you start installing, please watch this.
Hello, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to do before installing your shutters from DIY Blinds. Just so you know, you'll need around 20 to 30 minutes for this installation. And for large shutters, especially those which are off the ground, we recommend having a second person to help you. Firstly, you need to make sure that your window, floor and hands are all very clean.
Then, scan the QR code on your product box. This will take you to the DIY Blinds website. Please make sure all the pieces in front of you match the list on that page.
If they do, you're good to go. If not, contact us on 1300 918 390.
Now get the following tools ready. You'll need a step ladder, a metal tape measure, a cordless drill with a Phillips head and 3mm drill bit, a gap seal applicator gun, a spirit level, a pencil, and potentially a stud finder.
Before drilling into any surface, there are a few things you need to work out. If you're drilling into wood, you should be fine to start. However, if you're drilling into plaster, you have two options. The first option involves using a stud finder to locate where the wall studs or battens are. The second option is to use Ramset 10mm hollow wall anchors, as these will help secure your shutters to the plaster. You can also fix into concrete, stone, brick or tile as long as you use a masonry drill with the appropriate plugs, anchors and screws. Once you're 100% clear, please continue. But if there's anything you're not sure about, give DIY Blinds a call before going any further.
Hello again. Now, as I've said before, I'm a surfing expert, but I'm definitely not a DIY expert, which is why DIY Blinds have asked me to show you how quick and easy it is to install your shutters. I'll be honest with you, this video is the big kahuna of how-to videos. But don't worry, I reckon you'll conquer it.
First, click each section of your shutter frame together using the Hoffman keys. If you have T-posts, screw them onto your shutter using the pre-drilled holes on the side of the frames. Drill through the side of the frame behind each hinge. Then drill two holes 500mm apart through the back of the frame at the top and the bottom.
For a smooth, seamless fit, just like any good wetsuit, make sure the front of the shutter frame is flush with the face of your wall. And there's an even gap between your shutter frame and window frame on all four sides.
You may need to rotate the shutter frame within the window recess to level it off. This will allow your panels to open and close smoothly. Now, grab your drill and these screws and drill them in halfway so you can adjust the frame to get it level across the top and check it straight with a spirit level. Next, tighten the top screws, followed by the side and bottom ones. If you're using a three-sided frame with T-posts, grab your brackets and attach them to the bottom of your T-posts. Then screw the brackets into your recess. Now, it's time to attach your panels to your frame. Hold the left panel in position. The hinge should line up on the left side of your frame and panel. Take a hinge pin and drop it through the hinge from the top. Repeat the same process for each panel. Once completed, check that your panels open and close easily.
Tighten or untighten any screws to straighten your frame. Perfection. Now it's up. Just stay up like a pro surfer.
Make sure there's a thin, even gap between each side of your shutter frame and panels.
Okay, you're nearly there. You've paddled hard, you've got up. Now it's time to ride this barrel home. So let's look at those cheeky three-sided frames.
With these, you want to layer your light block on the inside of your recess at the bottom, just behind your shutter panels. Check you can open and close your shutter panels easily with the light blocks in place. Drill 2 or 3 screws into the light block in your recess. Use the screws provided to attach the magnet catches to the front of your light block, making sure they line up with the magnets on the back of your shutter panels. grab this gap seal tube and pop it into your gap seal applicator gun so you can seal around the sides of your shutter frame to stop light seeping in. Slowly, at a 45-degree angle, move your gap seal applicator gun along each side.
Wipe away the excess with a damp cloth or your finger and let it dry.
If you've got a wide gap around the sides, do it again.
But once you're finished with your seal tube, please make sure you dispose of it correctly to look after our ocean and our real seal mates.
Lastly, grab the stickers and stick them onto each visible screw.
And voila! Your beautiful shutters should now be installed. You conquered the kahuna!
But if you ever feel like you're in over your head, just give DIY Blinds a call on 1300 918 390.